When the chilling winds start to sweep across the land and frost takes over the soil, life above ground begins to fade. Trees go bare, animals disappear, and silence rules the cold world. But deep beneath your feet, something astonishing is happening. A hidden civilization of ants is preparing for the harshest season of all. While humans hide under blankets and birds migrate to warmer skies, ants face the cold head-on. But how do creatures so tiny survive when the ground itself turns to ice? The answer lies in one of nature's most brilliant survival secrets. As the temperature drops, the ant colony transforms. The entrances of their nests are sealed shut with soil and pebbles. No air, no light, no escape. Inside, the colony begins its final preparations. Workers move frantically, gathering the last bits of food. Soldiers guard the queen, hidden deep in the safest chamber of all. The atmosphere turns still, tense, like a fortress waiting for a storm. And then, everything stops. Because when winter finally arrives, the ants begin to shut down. Their movements slow to a crawl, their breathing almost disappears, and they enter a mysterious state called diapause, a kind of suspended animation. Their bodies don't fight the cold. They become one with it. Their metabolism nearly stops. Their hearts barely beat, and to the naked eye, they seem lifeless. But deep inside, life still flickers. It's a breathtaking adaptation. Ants don't try to conquer nature. They adapt perfectly to it. They surrender to the cold, but never die from it. Down in the nest, thousands of workers form tight clusters, pressing their bodies together to conserve heat. The queen is at the very center, untouched by the frost, surrounded by living shields. The deeper chambers remain surprisingly warm compared to the surface. This warmth doesn't come from sunlight, it's generated by the ants themselves. Their collective body heat creates a microclimate that protects the colony from freezing. Their survival isn't luck, it's preparation. Months before the first snow, they store food and strengthen their tunnels. During the winter, they barely eat, living off energy reserves collected in the summer. Every step is calculated. Every move is part of nature's perfect plan. But not all make it through. Some freeze. Some never wake up. In the silent tunnels, countless tiny bodies remain motionless, their purpose fulfilled, their sacrifice ensuring the colony's future. It's a cycle of life and death that's been repeating for millions of years. And each species has its own strategy. Carpenter ants hide in wooden logs and insulated soil tunnels. Field ants gather deep underground, sealing every exit. Fire ants, known for their aggression, cluster into massive balls, where the outer layer freezes but the inner core lives. It's teamwork in its purest, most brutal form. Sacrifice for survival. Even more fascinating, ants have a secret weapon within them: natural antifreeze. They produce special chemicals that prevent ice from forming in their body fluids. While everything around them freezes solid, their cells stay flexible, alive. It's as if nature gave them their own biological armor. Imagine that, frozen for months, yet capable of waking up unharmed when spring returns. For months, the colony sleeps in total silence beneath the frozen ground. Above them, snow covers the earth. Below, life waits, motionless but ready. And then one day, the sun returns. The ice melts. Water seeps into the tunnels, and slowly, life begins to move again. One ant twitches, then another. The colony awakens. Workers rush to clear tunnels. Soldiers open sealed entrances, and the queen stirs, ready to bring forth a new generation. What looked like a frozen tomb transforms into a living, breathing city once more. The cycle of death and rebirth repeats year after year, beneath our feet, unseen and unheard. But here's what makes this story even more incredible. Not all ants face freezing winters. In tropical regions, winter means drought, not cold. There, ants survive through estivation, the summer version of diapause, retreating deep underground to escape heat instead of cold. Whether frozen or dried, they always find a way to adapt. That's the secret of their power: adaptability and unity. Every winter, the ant colony behaves like one living organism. Each ant plays a role, like a cell in a greater body. When the cold comes, the organism sleeps. When warmth returns, it awakens. No leader commands them. It's pure instinct, written into their DNA through millions of years of evolution. Deep below, an entire civilization lies still, hearts barely beating, bodies pressed together in darkness. To the outside world, they're gone. But in truth, they're only waiting for the first touch of spring. So the next time you see a trail of ants after winter, remember, every one of them has faced death and returned. They've survived months of cold,